Welcome students, this is fourth part of important MCQs of applied mathematics for diploma second semester. Chapter 8 is applications of differential equation. First question is solve dx upon dt is equal to t plus 4 given that x is equal to 0 and at t is equal to 0. Also find x when t is equal to 3 and the answer is 16.50. Second question is the velocity of a particle. It is given by v is equal to t square minus 60 plus 7. Find the distance covered in 3 seconds and the answer is 3 units. The velocity of a particle at time t seconds from the commencement of motion is given by v is equal to 5t minus t square plus 4. How much distance does it cover in 3 seconds if it was initially at rest? The distance is 25.5 units. Question number 4 is a resistance of 100 ohm and inductance of 0.1 henries are connected in series with a battery of 20 volts. Find the current in the circuit at any instant. If the relation between L, R and E is L di upon dt plus Ri is equal to E, and the answer is current is I is equal to 0.2 into 1 minus e raised to 1000 t. Question number 5 is resistance of 100 ohm and inductance of 0.5 henries are connected in series with a battery of 20 volt. Find the current in the circuit at any instant if the relation between L, R, E and is L di upon dt plus Ri is equal to E, and the answer is I is equal to 0.2 in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus 20 t. Question number 6 is the current in the circuit is given by I is equal to dq upon dt is equal to 20 e raised to 5t. Calculate the amount of charge q transfer between t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 0.1 second, and the answer is 4 in bracket 1 minus e raised to 0.5 minus 0.5. Then for mechanical group probability distribution, this chapter is only for mechanical group. Question number 1 is an unbiased coin is tossed 5 times. Find the probability of getting one head. It is 0.1562. Probability of getting head is 1.1562. If the chance that out of 10 telephone lines, one of the line is busy at any instant is 0.2, what is the chance that 5 of the lines are busy? And the answer is it is not given. If 20% of the bolts produced by a machine are defective, find the probability that out of 4 bolts drawn, one is defective, and the probability is 0.4096. If probability of success P is equal to 1 by 52, N is equal to 104 trials, then by Poisson distribution means it is 2. A random variable x follows a Poisson distribution with mean value 3.4. Find P. X is equal to 6 and P is 0.072. If a random variable has a Poisson distribution such that P2 is equal to P3, find mean, and the mean is 3. If 2% of electric bulbs manufactured by a company are defective, find the probability that in sample of 100 bulbs, 3 bulbs will be defective, and the probability is 0.1804. Using Poisson's distribution, find the probability that the ace of spade will drawn from a pack of well shuffled cards at least once in 104 consecutive trials. and the answer is 0.8647. A sample of 100 dry battery cells tested to find the length of life produce the following result. Mean is equal to 12 hours, SD is equal to 3 hours. Then assuming that the data are normally distributed, what percentage of battery cells are expressed to have life more than 15 hours? Given A is equal to 0.3413 and the answer is 15.87 percentage. Question number 11 is, in a certain examination 500 students appear, mean score is 68 and SD is 8. Assuming that data are normally distributed, find the number of students scoring less than 50. Given A 2.25 is equal to 0.4878 and the answer is 6. Then question number 12 is, the probability that a pen manufactured by a company will be defective is 1 by 10. If 12 such pens are manufactured, find the probability that exactly 2 will be defective, and probability is 0.2301. Question number 13 is, if the probability of bad reaction from a certain injection is 0.001, determine the chance that out of 1000 individual exactly 2 suffer a bad reaction, and the answer is 0.2640. Last question is, mean is equal to median is equal to mode is the characteristics of what distribution? It is the characteristics of normal distribution. In next video we are going to see the chapter for special chapter for electronics and computer, that is complex number and Laplace transformation. And for computer group the chapter is numerical methods. In next lecture we will see these two chapters. Thank you.